She's a little adventurer. I guess I was her mother for that matter. Sorry.
It's fine. I'm sure she misses you.
So is that okay? You know, talking about...
Mm-hmm.
Hey?
Yeah.
You're not angry with me?
For what?
It's just 67 years. You know, I remarried after 2 years, and you waited 67 years.
67 years? Oh. When eternity's on the line, one lifetime of waiting seems like nothing.
Jesus, you are so perfect.
I'm not perfect.
Oh, that's what perfect people say.
Fine. I hate hearing about your kids and your grandkids and the kids they had, okay? I mean, I don't hate them.
Okay.
But it kills me that I didn't get to have all that with you. I'm glad you had it. Glad you had a happy life.